What do we do when it's raining? What we do is we try to keep the children occupied. We got Maya here. I made a race course for her, and she was racing around the race course, and now she has decided to pick up the race course and put it in a straight line. We have Curtis here. He's just chilling. He's just sitting here, chilling, have a good old time watching his sister. You watching your sister, Curtis? And there's Maya. Maya's stacking cones.
Not sure how I got another dollar in my pocket, and it kinda looks just like you. Mixed with that gallon from Macus. La la la.
You dancing, Maya?
La la la. It doesn't matter. La la la. Oh well. La la la. We're going at it tonight. Tonight. There's a party on the rooftop of the world. There's a party on the rooftop of the world. Tonight. Tonight. And we're dancing on the edge of the Hollywood sign. I don't know if I'll make it, but watch how good I'll fake it. It's alright, alright, tonight, tonight. It's alright, alright, tonight, tonight. Yeah, it's alright, alright.
Mary say, oh, oh.
Tonight, just sing it like, oh, come on, all you party people.
We're going to rain? Put an umbrella on. Take it off. Take it off of him. Stop. All right, take it off now. Take it off. All right, no more. Put on your head now. Put on your head.
You were innocent. Took this heart and put it through hell. Still you're magnificent. I'm a boomerang.
Good girl. Leave him there. Leave him there.
Turn around and ask me how I'm doing. I would say I'm doing just fine. I would lie and say that you're not on my mind.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Can you leave the cones alone? No, Mike, keep the track. It's set. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.